Are you curious about the beliefs of Hinduism? Hinduism is an ancient and diverse religion that has many different beliefs and practices. Here are two of the most important beliefs in Hinduism. Fact number 1: the belief in multiple deities. Hinduism has many gods and goddesses, each representing different aspects of the ultimate reality. Some of the most well-known deities include Vishnu, Shiva, and Devi. Fact number 2: the belief in karma and reincarnation. Hindus believe that every action has consequences and that the soul is reborn in a new body after death. The goal is to break the cycle of rebirth and achieve liberation through good deeds and spiritual practices. So there you have it, two of the core beliefs of Hinduism. If you want to learn more, let me know. #Hinduism, #religion, #beliefs.